Centering 396 cubic inches and 375 horsepower of big block power in a ground-up restoration that's punctuated by a handsome color combination and a mean Muncie 4-speed, this incredible Chevelle is a stylish, no-excuses muscle car. An authentic L78 Chevelle Supersport that's documented by an original retail order and an original Protecto plate. This hardtop is the beneficiary of a detailed ground-up restoration. This recently completed reboot dresses solid sheet metal in correct Chateau Slate 2-stage, and naturally every seam under that pigment was aligned to better than factory fit. That fit was highlighted with correct Supersport decor that includes a black grille, a black valance, a peaked hood, and an assortment of attractive trim and emblems. Inside, you'll find a classy and correct ivory bucket seat interior surrounded by a restored dash, rebuilt gauges, and an updated direct-fit AM/FM radio. At the base of that dash, a factory console frames a flashy Corvette-style shifter. And in front of the driver, an ornate steering wheel spins speed-drilled spokes around a vintage tachometer. Lift the hood and you'll find the storied 396 375 horse L78, which was the most powerful engine offered in a 66 Chevelle SS. The numbers matching date-correct big block sends power to a tough aluminum Muncie 4-speed, which spins a familiar 12-bolt axle. If you're looking for a highly desirable classic that'll provide years of weekend fun and rack up more than its fair share of fans in the process, this Chevelle is your ticket. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.